All right, welcome everyone. Build Out here. Super excited about this one. Let's jump right into it. I am really excited. As I said, Build Out here. Really excited. Thank you. This is a project manager top 10 pain points. So what are project managers experiencing today? What are they feeling? The projects are running like crazy, and it's a very difficult time. So what I wanted to do is I really wanted to introduce a new video series that I've been slowly launching out on YouTube, and make sure you guys are all tracking, really understanding what I was doing here with this. And so let's jump into this and let's look at these. Who am I, right? Who am I to even tell you what these pain points are? Well, I've been doing this for 31 years. Last 20, I've been running 10 PMOs across 20 years, 10 PMOs across 4 different companies. I've been a speaker and a presenter around the world, from Las Vegas to London, England, to San Diego, to Vancouver, to Toronto, you name it, I've been a speaker there. And I've also written many books: PMO Lifecycle, Building, Running, Shutting Down, Project Management Communication Tools, Tactical Guide for Building a PMO. Way back in 2008, Project Management Communication Bible, then the PMO service offerings, and then a new book, Continuous Improvement, so continue monitoring your PMO. So that's up on Amazon as well. So like I said, lots and lots of experience across 31 years. Really excited about sharing today. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I really wanted to cover the top 10 pain points of what project managers are experiencing today. Now, I've got further details in YouTube videos, further details around each of these items, but this is just an introductory video. This is really to get you excited. At the very end of this video, the first video on managing multiple projects will be right there. You can click that video, get started. So let's jump through it. So first one is around managing multiple projects at the same time. That's a huge pain point, right? What we're seeing is project managers are no longer just have one project in most cases. Therefore, they're managing multiple projects at the same time, and they are struggling in a lot of cases. So my YouTube video, where I go really deep, is we actually talk about why we're in this situation. We talk about why project managers have multiple projects. And then what we say is, how do they get themselves out of it? How do they literally be successful in that scenario? Number 2, resource assignments working across multiple projects. So from a project manager perspective, this is a huge pain point. Think about this, right? You've got resources that are on multiple projects. And if they're on multiple projects, how do you as a project manager get their time, get their attention to work on your project? So we go into that in detail as well. Then we go into project resource estimating, right? And really trying to get your resources to give you the good estimations and the good processes around how long it's going to take to do a task. We talk about that in the video. We talk about hybrid, agile, and waterfall from number 4 pain point. And we go into why are we even in this situation, right? The rise of agile and the rise of DevOps. And so we'll talk about that. We talk about how do project managers keep their resources engaged on the project. Everyone's working on multiple projects. How do you keep them engaged? How do you keep them excited about doing your project? Number 6, we go into remote project management. Yes, I know it's been around since Y2K, but again, we know for a fact that with COVID, we have all gone to remote. Most of us are staying remote. And so it's really important that project managers figure out how to deal with that remoteness with their team members. Then we go into number 7, influence without authority. And again, really important to really understand how can you as a project manager influence your team when you don't have that direct hire-fire responsibility. Number 8, we talk about no time for templates and processes. That's been a huge hit. People have actually loved that YouTube video, so I can't wait for you guys to get to that one as well. But if you are managing so many projects and dealing with so many projects, how can you possibly do all the templates and the processes? And then from a PMO manager or PMO director, how can we afford you not to do those processes? Number 9, we get into scope creep and that constant state of change. And so when you're managing multiple projects, how do you keep scope under control? How do you keep that really tight so you can successfully manage your project? We cover that as well. And then number 10, we talk about the lack of transparency of what the team members are doing. There's a little bit of remoteness to that. There's a little bit of, you don't want to be a micromanager to that too. I think that's critically important as well. And so I really wanted to make sure we covered both why we're in that situation and then how do you get yourself out of that. So these are the 10 pain points that we're going to cover from a pure project manager perspective. I wanted to make sure that you guys saw those, understood that every one of those videos, and again, you'll be able to click right there or right there. It's one of these arrows. I think it's right there, or it's right there. But point is that you're going to be able to click that video and you're going to be able to start with the first video and then just keep watching and watching. So my name is Bill Dow. I want to thank you all very much. I'll see you online. Check out those videos. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, and put some comments down below and let me know what you're thinking, because I really appreciate it and I can't wait to see what you think of the videos. I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Thanks.